Number 1, which is our very special Eiffel Tower Arts and Crafts activity.
Korea, Korea.
And next up we have activity number 2, and we fly over to Europe to the beautiful country of Switzerland. And if you didn't know already, Switzerland is renowned for some of its amazing chocolate. And this game is called the Swiss Chocolate Game. And
Korea, Korea.
Number 3, we have an activity which is from my home country, England, and we are going to create a crown.
Korea, Korea. Japan, Japan.
So, for activity number 4, we fly over to North Africa, Egypt, where the students will be making their very own Cleopatra necklace. Moving on to activity number 5, we fly over to both Europe and Asia, depending on where you are in the country of Russia.
Around the world, let's go to Japan. Around the world.
Number 6, which is in India. And this game is very fun actually, and it's called Kanchi, which is a traditional game that includes marbles.
Korea, Japan.
Number 7, in Australia. And this is called Down, Down, Down.
Korea, Korea. Japan, Japan. India, India. China, China. Around the world. Welcome to Korea. Around the world.
And last but not least, we have our Mexican dance, La Bamba. That's right, we're flying over to South America to enjoy the cultural dance of Mexico.
Korea, Korea.